Hey y'all, I hope everybody's having a great day. I'm fixing to put a few pictures on here. I didn't do a video, but I've done a few pictures of going down to our family pond and enjoyed a few hours of fishing down there. Just wanted to show you some of the bass that I caught. I believe there was 5 or 6, and it's just going to be pictures at this time. But anyway, I hope you enjoy it. And if you don't mind, would you like, subscribe, give me a comment, let me know what you think about them. All right, talk to y'all later.